Hey, I'm Charlie. Here's another episode of Charlie's Crib, so to speak. And today we're going to go over my 81 and 82 RM 465. RM stands for race model. These bikes weigh dry weight about 225 pounds, so believe it or not, for an open bike, that's actually pretty good size weight. These bikes I've never ridden. Actually bought this bike and it was pretty much how you see it. Just had the tank redone and that's about it. Just did a little things here and there like grips and things like that. But all original pretty much, except for, I believe, obviously I put on the tires, the MX33 Dunlops, obviously the crossbar pad, and then as you guys know, the 81 and 82 frames for RM 465s are black. When I bought it, it had the blue frame. That's one of the reasons why I loved it, because it has the blue frame and the yellow forks. I think it adds to the bike. For those purists, they'll probably appreciate the 81 a lot more. The 81 has more of a all original look. I think it only has like the rear sprocket that's not stock and a DG silencer. But these bikes are great bikes. They should be really good collector bikes for those that are looking to collect. The RM 465s are just super rare to find. When we're racing Evo class, we rarely see the RMs out there. So if you want to be pretty unique and special on the track, to have one of these on the track, it'd be pretty cool. It'd be pretty cool to see. Mine are just too clean to honestly want to get them dirty. I already have an 83 CR 480 that I race and love the bike, so I'm just not really willing to get this one dirty since it's in really great shape. The RMs too are a little bit harder to find parts wise. So as a collector, I think that'll add value to this bike long term. The CRs, it seems that you could get parts a lot easier. So you'll find that out when you're redoing bikes, especially these older Airs. In general, the Kawasaki's and RMs seem to be a little bit harder to find the parts than the CR bikes. This bike is in excellent shape. This bike I'm definitely going to keep on my collection. The 81 I am going to probably put up for sale. I don't know when, but I believe all the plastic is original. So even the air boxes, if you look at the air boxes, they don't have any holes in them, unlike the 82 that I have. You know, whoever owned that prior to me put holes in them to get more air into the airbox. But I think the more original you keep these bikes for collector value, the more they're going to bring value at auctions like Mecum and things like that. You know, a lot of the purists are really looking for all original bike. So this bike is going to be as close as you're going to get to an all original. So if you're interested in the bike, comment below. If you have any comments on the bike that you'd like to add to, let me know. 81 and 82 are the only 2 years that they built the 465. 83, they went to the 500, and I believe the 83 500, the chassis and everything's the same, they just went to the larger CCs. Some of the other RMs I do have in the collection is an 80 RM 250. This bike's in a really good shape. And I also have Ricky Carmichael's practice bike, his 450. So that is it. Hopefully you'll keep in touch with us and let us know below if you have any comments on the bikes. Thanks.